Well, I guess I'm done. Wait a minute. Not done yet. Now I'm done. I'm Paul Bennett at Downeast Creations in Millbridge, Maine. What do you think of my new paint storage cart? It's mobile, you can move it around. I keep my paints, my glues, and other adhesives and solvents. Anyway, I built it specifically for that purpose, but you could build it and use it as a bookcase or storage for if you do any canning and preserves. You could store them in that and roll it around in a cool place to store it. There's a number of uses. You could use it for storing fasteners. But the plans I put together are free. Look in the description below the video, and you'll find a link where you can download the plans free in a PDF file format. And if you stay tuned, watch the video, you'll see how I built it. It's fairly easy and straightforward. I didn't use any glue for the main structure, the main carcass, except for putting these little strips on, and I put these strips on to keep things from moving it around. I don't want cans to fall off, so that'll keep that from happening, and just adds a little decorative trim. Not that I care, it's a shop piece of furniture. And the only reason the paint scheme is what it is I was just using leftover paint and I didn't have to go out and buy it, and the paint would have gone bad anyway if I didn't use it up, so might as well use it for this. You don't have to paint it, but what's nice about putting any kind of paint or clear coating or anything like that is it helps to seal the wood, and once you seal the wood and you have a hard surface on there, it's easy to keep it clean. The dust won't cling to it. You can easily wipe it off, and it just protects the wood, and it'll keep it for a little while longer. So stay tuned, watch the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up, and please share it. And the next random drawing giveaway for my subscribers is coming up at about 400 subscribers. I usually have one about every 100 or so. And all you have to do is be a subscriber. That's all you have to do in order to qualify for the drawing. That's it. Thanks for watching. Forgot to mention, when I drew the plans for this, I put the dimensions in both imperial and metric so that my metric friends will have something to go on if they want to build one as well. Thanks for watching.